When I was in high school, back in the 80s, I had a 1975 Porsche 914 2-liter. I think it did about 110 horsepower it had. So I still have a fondness for Porsches, old Porsches. Of course, the Probe is still my first love, but I figured I'd still do some different videos on some other cars. And also I want to thank everybody. I am up to now 40 subscribers. And if you guys can continue to subscribe or give a thumbs up, don't know what that means, but please give a thumbs up. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. I hear you. So what do you compare this to the Probe, the Ford Probe GT?
This one?
Both of them, all of them.
How do I compare them?
Yeah, what do you think? You think the Ford Probe will win?